Hello guys, my name is Delia. I'm from Batch 3 Hotel Operations Program 2019. Today I will show you how to set up table a la carte. Before that, do you know a la carte is? A la carte means when we order at the restaurant, the dish served individually. For the menu, a la carte lists prices and the menu so the customer can order according to their taste. A la carte table setting definition, it simplifies the guest when the a la carte menu is being served to their table. First, polish the cutleries and glassware. First, I have already boiled the water and we pour the boiled water in the container. After that, put all the cutleries in the container. Wait until 1 minute. I already have napkin to polish the cutleries and glassware. We put the cutleries first. And this is the how to polish the cutleries. And for the glassware, this is water goblet. We just steam. And after that, we polish it. And the cutleries and glassware is clean. For the table setup a la carte, you should prepare first B&B plate, and then B&B knife, dinner fork, dinner knife, soup spoon, water goblet, and last is gas napkin. The left side of the table, we put the B&B plate. On top B&B plate is B&B knife. And next to B&B plate, we put the dinner fork. And the distance of dinner fork from the end of the table is 1 finger joint. And then we leave 1 inch for the place of gas napkin. After that, put the dinner knife, soup spoon, and above the dinner knife is water goblet. And in the middle of dinner fork and dinner knife is gas napkin. So, this is the table setup of a la carte. And from this video, we can learn about the general history of a la carte itself and the menu of a la carte in the restaurant. So I hope this video is useful for the audience and the juniors. Have a nice day and thank you!